Jamaica, the land of rhythm, beauty, and strength. A nation surrounded by the sea, kissed by the sun, and blessed with resilient people. But in late October 2025, paradise was put to the test. A storm, powerful and unpredictable, began its journey across the Atlantic. Her name, Melissa. What began as a tropical wave off the coast of West Africa quickly grew into a monster. Fueled by unusually warm waters and shifting winds, Melissa gained strength each passing day. Meteorologists watched in growing concern as the system intensified. Category 2, then 3, then 4, and finally Category 5. A catastrophic hurricane, the most powerful Jamaica had seen in modern history. The warnings came early. Authorities urged people to prepare, to seek shelter, to move to higher ground. Across the island, families packed their belongings, boarded buses, and prayed for mercy. The sky darkened. The wind began to howl. Jamaica braced itself for Melissa. On October 28, 2025, Hurricane Melissa made landfall on the island's southwestern coast. Winds reached nearly 300 kilometers per hour, tearing through homes, uprooting trees, and flooding communities. Roofs were ripped away like paper. Power lines snapped. Roads vanished under rising waters. The island trembled under the fury of nature. In the parish of St. Elizabeth, known as Jamaica's breadbasket, fields that once flourished were drowned beneath muddy water. Families clung to one another as the storm raged through the night. Entire communities were cut off, left in darkness and fear. By dawn, silence filled the air, a silence broken only by cries for help. As the sun rose, the scale of destruction came into view. Roads were impassable, houses lay in ruins, thousands were displaced. Over 500,000 people lost electricity. The storm had passed, but its impact had just begun. Yet amid the chaos, the Jamaican spirit refused to be broken. Neighbors became rescuers. Volunteers delivered food and water to the stranded. Communities came together, proving once again that the strength of Jamaica lies not only in its land, but in its people. Across the island, rebuilding began. One nail, one wall, one prayer at a time. Children returned to classrooms that had once served as shelters. Farmers replanted seeds of hope in the soil that had been washed away. And slowly, life began to return. But Hurricane Melissa also left behind an urgent reminder that our world is changing. Climate scientists warn that rising ocean temperatures are fueling stronger, slower, and more destructive storms. Melissa was not just a natural disaster, it was a message, a warning that the time to act is now. As Jamaica rebuilds, it carries lessons written in the wind and rain, lessons of preparedness, unity, and resilience. Because when the next storm comes, and it will, the nation will remember. It will stand stronger. It will rise again. This is the story of Melissa, a story of power and loss, of courage and compassion, of a people who refuse to give up. This is Jamaica, proud, enduring, and unshaken. And though Melissa came with fury, she left behind a testament of faith, unity, and hope. Out of the storm rises the spirit of Jamaica,